As their first task, the Alphas embarked on a series of preliminary missions to understand more about space.
Touring the Longhorn Project was a unique experience for our week at Haas. It was encouraging to see this program influence local and international communities through high school agricultural programs, crop management, and engineering without borders. NASA scientists are hoping to use this program in future plans of deep space missions.
Originally a full-scale mock-up of the space shuttles, the converted tourist attraction now serves to educate a bygone era. Sail was a great experience. We walked around and learned about the space shuttle's different systems and how they are all connected.
One of my favorite talks was given by Dr. Georgiana Kramer on lunar swirls, a phenomenon on the moon characterized by unique shapes that are either significantly darker or significantly lighter than the surrounding surface. These are thought to be caused by localized magnetic fields preventing the weathering of the lunar surface.
And then we entered the Neutral Buoyancy Lab. This was a 40-foot deep training pool filled with a mock-up of portions of the ISS. Here we saw astronauts rehearsing spacewalks underwater like Aquaman.
No team can do it alone, and we were lucky enough to have an amazing mentor to help.
This week, we got a super mentor to help us out on our mission. She lent us her expertise, and our mission was more realistic because of it. Misty helped us realize what would work and what was unrealistic. We really learned a lot. Thank you, Misty, for teaching us so much.
Every superhero needs their gadget. Between rockets and 3D tools, the Alphas were set.
Lisa, report.
This is Lisa. The rockets have been launched and have returned to the ground. All teams did well. We had several flips and horizontal takeoffs, but the cooperation was a mission success. We did recon the rocket built by Harold, the Rocket Whisperer.
What were the stats of the rocket?
809 feet in the air. Report complete. Lisa, over.
It was a super tool printed on a super printer. This 3D printed tool allowed us to tighten screws to a super tightness. The 3D tool also allowed us to loosen super stuck bolts, as well as serving as a super hex key.
Finally, the Alphas had their big assignment. Get Team Haas to Mars.
For our PDR presentation, we were tasked with getting everything to Mars. In order to do this and take everything the other teams needed, we researched prototyping and testing systems on the moon, radiation, and entry, descent, and landing.
Our PDR model was designed with many amenities to land humans on Mars, including labs and life support systems. We designed for our human landing module to land separately from our capsule and supplies.
Sounds like a great week, Alphas. Time for the final mission report.
One lesson we learned was gracious professionalism by helping out other teams towards one goal, but competing against each other in each task. In college, while studying together as classmates, you help each other out through each other's weaknesses, but are pushed by each other's strength.
The Alpha team would like to thank our generous sponsors for this week at Haas. Thank you to Rotary NASA, the Houston Livestock Show and Rodeo, the state of Texas, and all of our sponsors here at NASA.